Welcome back to the vlog. We're in Halifax for Morgan and Riley's engagement party. Quick weekend trip. What's up in the backseat?
Hey.
We're off to the beach for beach day. We just made the most amazing, what would we say, like an Italian sandwich?
Yeah.
It's gonna be so
Like in like cottage country, it was pretty populated quickly because of the fishing industry. Do I have to push anything or is it already rolling? Perfect.
It's time for our lobster dinner. I'm so excited. Hi, Goosey. I'm literally so pumped. I'll show you.
Oh, sorry.
Mom, you gotta keep it
Mom, you should get a lobster and do the instructions.
Oh, yes.
As I can take.
Ever?
Here's that. Watch this.
All right, give it to us.
I just do this. Like a die-hard lobster.
Oh, it's too easy.
One. Open them up like this. Just like that. Let me get that shell out. Number 3.
Oh my God, light work.
And there's your tail.
Oh my
Now
God.
you split it open like that and take. This is a female.
Yep. How can you tell?
That's the breast.
Oh,
Yeah, that's a tamale type.
the eggs.
So, all that gunky gunk.
Amazing. I can't wait. Give us a play-by-play. Beautiful. Hold it up. Gorgeous.
Get it in the butter. Submerge both sides.
We're making mojitos. Hey, Chris. Okay, Chris and Chelsea are here and they're ready for their lobster. Look how many there is.
That's crazy. Okay, so
Nervous.
I'm nervous here. You gotta tell me what to do. They were like cracking us up.
Things are harder to.
Oh my God, this is so good. I gotta try some. Richie the master. Oh, it's in motion. Boom. Effortless.
Easy.
Oh my gosh.
That ain't hard. Wow, look at that.
Oh, really?
That's what I'm saying. He eats as he works, you know? Efficient man.
Richie, you are efficient at this.
Wait, is there meat in those? Oh, I didn't know that.
Oh yeah. Take it.
So you're gonna try, Chelsea?
this shows you didn't ask for.
Oh, it's actually really good. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. What?
Boom.
Richie, I'm honestly genuinely very impressed.
Effortless.
Green stuff. Yes.
Like, look at him.
What is the green stuff?
Algae.
Richie, you were trying so hard to not say what. Yeah.
Whoa.
Little salt water. It's like a shooter. Actually? Oh, that's cheating, I thought. Ah! No. I don't want you to break your tooth. No way. That was insane, Richie.
Attack.
Holy shit.
Lobster hates Sissy Richie coming.
Oh, a lobster hates Sissy Richie coming.
Lobster does hate Sissy. That hasn't happened before, so.
Welcome to the party.
That's your dad.
Well, he is excited.
Look who it is. We made it. Riley, did you drive him? Oh, right.
Woo! Happy Saturday morning. We are about to go out for brunch and then pop around the Halifax waterfront for a little bit and run some errands for the engagement party tonight. We're kind of just in prep mode, I think, today. Riley got in really late last night and he came over at like 2 a.m. and like surprised us. We were still awake, but we went to bed pretty soon after, so my bags are all packed. We're staying at Riley's parents tonight, which is where the engagement party is, and then we'll be back here tomorrow for a bridal brunch. I love wedding stuff. Oh my god. Sully! Oh my god, you're precious. You are precious. Oh my god.
You just
Hi.
Riley said we have to close the door before we put him down.
Okay.
But I think he wants. Do you have the tree?
Oh no, Chris, we got the tree. Hi, Sully.
He's always this light.
They get darker. Silly king.
He's good at spreading the love, too. Hey.
Oh my god.
Oh my.
Yeah, Goose is an uncle.
No, he's Goose's uncle.
Oh, you're Goose's uncle. Oh yeah, true. Come here. Oh,
so
good
cute.
boy.
Just like there's some cleanup stuff that's going on.
Chelsea.
Go down or should we go up? Wait, there's a better one.
Oh, but that is the store. That is the one that we wanted to go to.
You guys already looked up stores to go shopping?
Yeah, we saw it on TikTok. The house.
I'm kind of worried that we're not going to be hungry for our app, but I think
Well, that's fine. We can just come for a drink.
we could do this.
You're right. You're right.
Last time I was traveling, I don't like
Okay, Mark, you're gonna have to lean in.
This one's great.
Yeah, come close. So what's the
Oh my god, do we
type?
need a picture?
Raspberry.
Guys.
We're sure.
Guys. Oh my god. Smile, come on.
Did
like Riley,
we
take
earn a beer?
What is it? What's this kind of oyster?
I forget the exact name, but they're from Hiiiii. It's like Raspberry Shore or something like that. They're my favorite.
You see
Not just because the name is adorable, but because they're like
she's all dressed.
sweeter and really good.
Yeah, yours is pretty. She's a stunning. Okay, here we go. Cheers.
What, do you need another picture? Oh, I should have videotaped it.
And we're vlogging, Chris, I said.
Oh, you are?
That is so good. That was good.
I'm in the
I
back.
think that's the first oyster that I've really been like, wait, I really like that. That was insane.
I'm telling you, these are the best.
Yeah.
You guys are vlogging?
Like, get the boys doing theirs.
Okay. You guys have to dress up another. They already did theirs.
They're great.
Great, thank you.
Thank you.
Oh my god.
Big bowl.
Yum, Chris. Yay. Okay, what one are you gonna try? I think I want to try that guava one I just threw in there. I do. This one is so cute. Because I like the, I like this material so nice. I know, I think the material's nicer. Okay, I'm trying this one. I was gonna say, I need to try it. It's actually fair. But you're also like 5 inches taller than me. That's true. Like this, I'm like too tight. I want it bigger. No, I have a medium, but I wish it was, but I didn't see the large in this one.
Oh, that's camera setup.
It's a makeshift mirror here. Wait, do you have the large? No. See, this one fits better than the medium of the other.
Yeah, we might not have these anywhere else.
Should we get these and be matching, but not
I feel like we should.
Okay, but I feel like I might want the
Where
large.
was the other one that you had?
This one's a medium though.
On it?
The one with the lobster, but they didn't have it in a large. They only had it in medium. Do we like this size on me? Yeah. Or bigger? No, I think that's perfect. Yes. This is cute. Okay.
What is this saying that was so long?
See it, it's gonna be like, oh,
We got all the cakes. You look great.
right here, I don't really want. You know, I almost returned it. Do I not look great? You look perfect. See how oh my god, Morgan, are you sure I don't look great? No, you look great. I don't know. Probably just haven't worn makeup in like 6 months. You look stunning.
Morgan, give us a look. She's ready. No, you look, what, being the bride is embarrassing? No.
No.
You literally look amazing. No, it's not. Show us your ring. Give us the, hey
I
yo.
didn't do my nails, so.
These are goat cheese stuffed dates with walnuts and honey and thyme. And we made these yesterday and then just baked them and they look so good.
I can help it.
He's hiding from the party. Oh.
I think he likes that.
How's it going, guys? We got, these are our kitchen, my mom always says kitchen witches. Yeah.
Boom, boom.
Oh, did you already put all the sliders out?
Who would have thought? Who would have thought that grade 10 we would have been in Halifax today with our like.
True. People we like don't even know, didn't even know then. I love you.
Center of attention right there. Yeah, beautiful, huh?
Let's put our drinks down, Chelsea, and then we can actually like play with him. I'm scared he's gonna like eat it. Look at him. Oh. Now. Yup. Now keep going. Those are the day, ladies. Yeah. Oh my god, it's gorgeous. I know, I'm like paranoid. How do I say that?
But we also want to say thank you to everybody, whether you talk first, I'm good.
Sorry, look, I'm learning from this.
Never got married before.
Together, cut it together, yes. Get your hand in there, Riley. Help out, because
How big of a piece you want, right?
Stay as long as you guys like. I know we're going to be drinking for a while and the golf course back there. Everybody's welcome. We have some teams that are better than others right now, but we're going to have a good time. So feel free to stay as long as you like. And thank you for coming.
Woohoo! That cake is beautiful. Good morning. It's Sunday and bridal shower time. After dress shopping, brunch, we're back to locking our beds because we're leaving from here. But we're going out for one last dinner. It was fun. Oh my god, there's a whole patio out here. I didn't even realize. Yeah. We just showed love. It's not even necessarily the dress. That was just a potential.
How many love is getting to the like potential dress?
Because Ellie was texting your mom.
Morgan wanted my mom's opinion, so I was gonna say.